Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Ayra's Story Corner. Today we'll be making pasta. So, it's not called pasta mostly. It's called bow ties and they're noodles. Because that they look like bow ties, let me show you. See? I'm going on a splashing party. So these are called the bow tie noodles. Today we'll be making the sauce. So this is what you'll be needing. You'll be needing some garlic chili ketchup sauce, garlic chili sauce, and then a dipped tomato ketchup. And we need more ingredients. Let me show you. And we're gonna need some vegetables. We're gonna need some garlic and onion cut in little pieces like this. And then we're gonna be needing some tongues and sausages. Let me show you. Some quinoa tongues and some sausages like this. This is what we're gonna be needing for our pasta sauce. My mom makes the yummiest food, so I bet you're gonna love this as well if you come to my house. I know I have some cousins who's gonna watch this video, so come to my house, whoever it is, let's eat some pasta. So, kids, for safety first, you need to make a pony in the kitchen, even though if there's no fire on. And to not spoil your clothes, you're gonna need an apron. Let's wear. And always make sure to have an adult to help you guys. So, how to boil the pasta is you need to fill a pot with water and then boil it for good 2-3 minutes. Let it boil, and then while then you can make the sauce. Mine is already boiled, so I'm ready to make the sauce. Mom, could you help me tie my apron?
Sure, my baby. Apron is very, very important. It will help your clothes from getting stained.
So, the first step is you need some ketchup. You need some ketchup and then put it in a bowl. You need this type of small pot to make the sauce. So, and then the first things first, you need to add some ketchup.
Put the stove on.
Ask an adult to open the stove. To put this on the stove like that.
Don't you mind?
So, and then when it's heating up, you're gonna need all your ingredients set right next to you.
Make the onions and the garlic first.
You need to use the onions and the garlic first. So I'll take the plate right here.
Chop the onions and the garlic very fine.
Yes, that's true.
Some oil in the pot.
Put some oil in the pot and then add these ingredients to the pot. Let's see how to do it. Easily put them in the pot.
Let's keep that view.
Keep the things in the pot and put these things in the pot.
Put some onions in the pot like that.
Make sure not to do it fast or else it'll sizzle. Remember to ask an adult to turn on the stove. Put the pot on, add some oil, and then you need to add the fine cut onions into the pot. Let it sizzle for good 2-3 minutes, and then you can add the garlic. And then, after you do that, you need to add the other ingredients. For example, the tongues and the sausages. Then you can add any type of ketchup you want. I suspect like the chili garlic sauce and the dipped tomato. Remember to get something to stand on. So, always ask an adult to help if you can spin. Or you have to ask an adult to help spin.
Good job, Ayra. You did great help in the kitchen.
I think I could.
And saute.
until you hear the sizzling.
Basically, saute your garlic and onion.
And then add the other ingredients I showed you earlier. These chunks and sausages. So let this wait for 2 minutes, and then you can have any type of ingredients you like. I like plain pasta, but I also like it with much more ingredients. What's your favorite pasta flavor? Write in the comments. I know I don't have any comments on my channel. Or give a like if you like the same pasta. Mix it. Bon appetit. It should taste good, the sauce right now, but it's not done yet. So you have to wait for 2-3 more minutes while mixing it.
Then everything is golden brown. And you can smell it.
It smells so good. I want to eat it right now. I wish the computer could transfer the smell, but it can't. You see, I already have a broken tooth and another one is wobbling. 3 more are wobbling, so that's amazing. If anything falls out, be careful. Ask an adult to put them back in. Yum, yum, yum. Like I said, bon appetit.
Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
You already added all the sounds like things, Mom, without even telling. Mom, can I have the ketchup? So, get any of your ketchup and then add them in. I have a chili garlic sauce with some dipping tomato ketchup. We're gonna add them both in, but don't make sure not to empty the whole thing. Is it time to add the ketchup yet?
Yes.
Stand on your chair. Then take the ketchups you like. Take them and add them in. Open up things. How much do we need to add?
Put it on. Actually, give it tomato.
Tomato. I don't want to add that much. You know, I don't like chili. Add them in, 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 add them in. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's a whole tomato ketchup wiggle. And I added myself. Shake, shake, shake. I know you like to shake. Shake, shake, shake. How much?
Done it? Very good, Ayra. Good job.
Mama, let it go! Let it go!
So you can see it's too thick and too tomatoey.
So you need to add a bit of water, I suppose. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yes, we're going to make it a bit thin by adding water.
Just a bit water. And I forgot to tell you, almost 2 tablespoons of oil. Mom, let me add it. Oh my gosh, I see those like golden bubbles.
Those goldeny bubbles are the oil. Is the oil.
Yum. Add the whole thing. Mom, can I mix it with you?
Yes. Around.
You have to mix it carefully.
Put some salt.
You have to put only 2 spoons of salt.
No, just a pinch.
Like just a pinch. Don't make it too salty. Otherwise, you'll die when you drink the Red Sea. Add chilies.
Chili flakes.
Chili flakes. Don't add too much. You know I won't eat it then.
That's fine.
I know it's weird. I know another.
This is black pepper.
Add just some bit and then mix it carefully. Don't spoil it again, otherwise you'll get hurt. Ooh, this is so good looking. Let me show you again. See, there's so many.
And
things.
my secret ingredient,
Seriously.
oregano.
Oregano. Don't tell the secret ingredient to nobody. Hey.
I think it's still very, very thick.
We need to add some more water. If yours is also the same type of thick, or you added too much ketchup, you need to add almost 2 cups of water. Mom, I want to add it myself.
Slowly.
Slow and steady. Let me mix and add it at the same time.
You just, it's not silly. You don't have to be scared when you're cooking. Just do it like this.
You have to do it carefully. Oh, now we're talking. I think it's too thin now.
You have to cook it.
Oh, look at that sauce. I hope you are doing the same good progress. Ha. Like, don't get too satisfied by the look. Like, just keep mixing normally. I'm going bonkers right now. Hope my friends are watching this because you know you can come anytime to watch to eat this yummy, delicious pasta. Bon appetit!
And Ayra, don't forget to add your secret delicious ingredient.
With a lot and lot of love.
Mwah. Mwah.
You have to be making sure that you have an adult close by. Eat. Let me just.
If it's too sour,
Let's
you
add
put in a bit more salt and some sugar.
and a lot of love.
Lots of love. That comes naturally when there are cute babies cooking in a kitchen.
Just a bit, not too much, Mom. Let me just keep in my camera. I don't know why. Let's cookie. Add a bit more water if it's still too thick. Come on, movie. Come on. Why do we have to have so much water, Mom?
The more it cooks, the better it's going to taste.
Just like they say, the more the better. Ooh, look at the sausages. You see that one eye? Oh, it's so slippery at the bottom.
Make sure you don't drop it.
I won't.
You can burn yourself.
Yeah, be careful of that, kid.
Don't mix a lot.
Hey, I just found out I didn't need an apron. I'm not spoiling anything.
If you have emergencies.
Just in case, if you know you're doing a bit of crazy things. Hey, oh my gosh, look at it. It's so liquidy. And I better go perfect on the bow tie pasta. Let me show you it again. Take it off. Here it is. Now really, bon appetit. Keep cooking.
Why don't you start tidying up, Ayra? Why don't you go put the ketchups in the fridge now
Sure.
while it cooks?
Okay. So as we are here and done, you can see it's all redified. And it should be yummy with the pasta. or make sure to have a drink with your parents.
See you next time with a new recipe.
So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. And come to my house for a delicious recipe. Bye guys.
Bye.